Ever found yourself in a situation where you've signed up for a service, thinking it's exactly what you need, only to realize later that your business direction has shifted, your needs have changed, or perhaps you just found a better fit elsewhere? It's a common scenario in the fast-paced world of entrepreneurship and online business. And if that service happens to be Tailor Brands, and you're now wondering, how do I cancel Tailor Brands? Then you've landed in the perfect place. We've all been there. You're excited to launch a new venture. You need a logo, perhaps some branding materials, maybe even an online presence, and Tailor Brands offers a compelling all-in-one solution. Their AI-powered design tools make it incredibly easy to get started, helping countless entrepreneurs bring their vision to life with minimal fuss. From logo creation to website building, business cards, and even domain registration, they cover a lot of ground. It's a fantastic platform for many, especially those just dipping their toes into the entrepreneurial waters. However, business is dynamic. What works today might not be the best fit tomorrow. Maybe your startup pivoted, and the initial branding no longer reflects your new direction. Perhaps you've grown to a point where you need more bespoke design services, or you've consolidated your tools and are looking to streamline your subscriptions. Or, let's be honest, sometimes you just signed up for a free trial and forgot to cancel before it automatically renewed. A tale as old as time in the digital age. Whatever your reason, the decision to cancel a subscription, especially one tied to your business identity, can feel a bit daunting. You might worry about losing files, interrupting services, or navigating a complicated cancellation process. The good news is, canceling Tailor Brands isn't as complex as you might fear. While they do make it easy to sign up and get started, their cancellation process is also relatively straightforward, provided you know where to look and what to expect. This isn't about shaming Tailor Brands or suggesting they're not a valuable service. Quite the contrary. This is about empowering you with the knowledge to manage your subscriptions effectively and make informed decisions for your business. Because ultimately, your business needs come first. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to cancel your Tailor Brands subscription. There are a few key things to understand up front, mainly relating to the different types of services they offer and how those might impact your cancellation. Tailor Brands offers various packages, from basic logo design to more comprehensive brand kits, website builders, and even legal services like LLC formation. The good news is that the cancellation process is generally similar across these services, but it's always wise to be aware of what you've subscribed to. The primary method for cancellation is through your Tailor Brands account dashboard. You'll need to log in to the account you used to purchase your subscription. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings or profile section. Look for options related to billing, subscriptions, plans, or manage my account. These labels can vary slightly, but they usually lead to the same place. Within this section, you should see details about your current active subscriptions, their renewal dates, and crucially, an option to cancel or modify your plan. It's important to note that if you signed up for a multi-year plan or a plan with a specific commitment period, canceling might mean you won't receive a full refund for the remaining term, or you might be subject to the terms you agreed to upon sign-up. Always review the terms and conditions of your specific plan when you signed up, as this will clarify any potential pro rata refunds or cancellation fees. Usually, for monthly plans, cancellation takes effect at the end of your current billing cycle, meaning you'll retain access to the services until that date. Sometimes, you might encounter an option to downgrade your plan instead of a full cancellation. If your primary goal is to reduce costs but still maintain some access, this could be an alternative. However, if your intent is a complete break, ensure you're selecting the definitive cancel option. What if you can't find the cancellation option in your dashboard, or you're experiencing technical difficulties? This is where Tailor Brands customer support comes into play. They offer various channels for support, including email and sometimes live chat. Contacting their support team directly is a perfectly valid and often necessary step if the self-service option isn't clear or isn't working for you. When reaching out, be sure to provide them with your account details, such as the email address associated with your Tailor Brands account, to expedite the process. Clearly state your intention to cancel your subscription. Another scenario to consider is if you purchase Tailor Brand services through a third party, like an app store or a partner promotion. In such cases, the cancellation process might need to be initiated through that third-party platform. For instance, if you subscribed via the Apple App Store or Google Play, you'll likely need to manage the subscription directly through your device's subscription settings. This is a common point of confusion, so always remember where you initially made the purchase. Before you hit that final cancel button, it's worth considering a few things. Firstly, download any assets you want to keep. This includes your logo files in various formats, any website content you've created, and any other design elements. Once your subscription is canceled, you might lose access to these files, especially if you haven't explicitly downloaded them. Think of it as moving out of a rented space. You want to take your belongings with you. Secondly, if you've registered a domain name through Tailor Brands, understand how its management will be affected. Domain names are typically registered for a year at a time. Canceling your Tailor Brands subscription doesn't automatically cancel your domain name registration. You'll either need to transfer the domain to another registrar or ensure you set up a separate renewal process for it if you wish to retain ownership. Losing a domain name can be detrimental to your business, so this is a crucial step to verify. Thirdly, consider the implications for any connected services. If your Tailor Brands website was linked to other platforms or services, those connections might break once your site goes offline. Make sure to update any links or embed codes on other platforms. Finally, confirm the cancellation. After you've gone through the steps, you should receive a confirmation email from Tailor Brands. Keep this email for your records. It serves as proof that you've successfully canceled your subscription and can be useful if any billing discrepancies arise later. Sometimes, there might be a cooling-off period or a final check-in from their support team, but the confirmation email is your ultimate proof. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.